The 6th Meghalaya Games are scheduled to take place in West Janta Hills district, with preparations already in full swing. According to John F. Kharshiyeng, working president of the Meghalaya State Olympic Association, the government's support has been instrumental in reviving the games that was first started in 2001 and revived in 2019. This year's event will feature 25 sports and over 3,000 participants, including team officials, and around 600 technical officials are expected to take part, making it a grand spectacle.
Preparations in full swing. We are very fortunate that Jowai town has a number of the Rashnong. They have these what they call club. They have a lot of community halls. This time there'll be a great advantage in the sense that there are already a lot of community halls which we'll be using for the Meghalaya Games. There will be 25 sports being held. These 25 sports are archery, arm wrestling, athletics, badminton, basketball, boxing, cycling, football, golf, gymnastics, judo, karate, kho-kho, muay thai, shooting, softball, sports climbing, swimming, table tennis, taekwondo, tennis, volleyball, weightlifting, wrestling and wushu.